All right, in last video we saw how to apply font weight, but if you notice we have two different font properties. Well, those are too many, so let's go ahead and combine them. So there is a way to actually apply the font's boldness with the font itself. So you can say font. So let's try with large title dot bold. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it actually looks. All right, it's actually combining two different properties, so that's even amazing, because you can just combine them to achieve the look that you want to see. All right, this is slightly different than what I was expecting. Large title and maybe caption. There we go. So that's how you can apply you can combine font and font weight into a single font modifier. Okay, font modifier supports that, so you can actually apply the style and the weight together for a modifier. Okay, so this is it for this video. I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.